Tomorrow, August 4, marks the one-year anniversary of the explosion of the port of Beirut. Over 200 people were killed, over 6,000 people were injured, and hundreds of thousands were displaced and suffered lots of losses. Still up to today, no answers and no accountability. Moreover, Lebanon has been bleeding financially due to corruption. More than half of the people are under the poverty line. Unemployment is over 50%. And people are deprived of the basic elements of life in order to survive. Our Catholic schools and institutions are also in need of financial support and assistance. Our beloved Patriarch, His Eminence and Beatitude Bishara Peter Rai, along with all the bishops, will preside tomorrow over the Mass at the site of the explosion at 6:07 p.m. Beirut time. Therefore, we unite in thought and prayer with them, and in solidarity with our brothers and sisters, I call on each one of you to take little time to pray for the souls of the victims, for the recovery of the wounded, and for the survival of the people left behind, and for peace and prosperity in Lebanon and all the Middle East. Moreover, any financial support you could give will be welcomed. The poor and needy here and at home or abroad look at us for assistance. Any gesture of kindness would go a long way. Thanks again, dear friends, for your consideration and support. I assure you of my love and appreciation for every one of you. All of you are in my prayers. May God bless you and protect you always.